I'm Jen. Welcome. And if you are new here, I share simple projects that I am tackling around the house. Some of them are DIY, some of them are cleaning, organizing, but all in all, it's all about the home. So in today's video, I am going to show you how I made a seed organizer. I'm getting ready for my garden, and I needed something to organize all of the seeds that I have ready to go. So I'm going to show you how I made this seed organizer. I cut down a cedar plank board. It was a 1x4 and I think it was 6 feet long. These are each 16 inches. I sanded them down too. And then what I did was I measured from here to here. And I think that was like 5.5 inches. So it's gonna go together like this. And I've got my corner clamp so I can easily put this together. I am going to whitewash this. Yeah. So I filled this, or didn't fill it, but I put a little bit of water in this. And I'm just going to put the smallest amount of paint. Normally I would just let this dry in the garage, but it's pretty wet because I put a lot of water, and it is the cedar plank. So what I'm going to do is, it's a sunny day, so I'm going to go put it out in the sun to let it dry. Alright, so it is time for me to organize my seeds. I used to organize them in a little binder with like those card holder things, like baseball cards, and I would put them in there. Well, this is getting all, well, it's really dirty. It's folded up and crinkled. And then I just have them in a plastic shoebox. So that is why I made the wooden one. So what I'm gonna do is just go through all of the seeds, see what I have, make a list of what I need so I can start my starts. Good news, I only have to pick up, it looks like green beans. I have everything else. This seed organizer could be used for anything, really, so it's just a nice box to organize some stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.